What is mindfulness?
Mindfulness is the practice of paying full attention to the present moment, noticing thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. It helps you become more aware of your daily experiences and respond to challenges with calmness. Many people use mindfulness to reduce stress, improve focus, and support emotional well-being. Starting small and making it a consistent habit can bring benefits over time.
How do I get started with mindfulness at home?
Begin by setting aside just a few minutes each day. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Consistency is key. Try practicing at the same time each day to establish a routine.
What are simple mindfulness techniques I can use?
A few simple techniques include mindful breathing, body scans, and mindful observation. For mindful breathing, focus solely on your breath. For a body scan, gently notice how each part of your body feels. Mindful observation can be practiced by simply paying close attention to your surroundings or an everyday activity, like sipping tea or washing dishes.
How can I stay consistent with my practice?
Try connecting mindfulness to an existing routine, such as after waking up, before meals, or right before bed. Setting reminders or using a journal to record your experiences can help build the habit. Remember, it's normal to miss days. Being gentle with yourself and returning to your practice is part of the journey.
What are the benefits of practicing mindfulness daily?
Practicing mindfulness daily has been shown to reduce stress, improve concentration, boost emotional resilience, and enhance overall well-being. Over time, you'll likely notice increased self-awareness and an improved ability to manage difficult emotions. Regular mindfulness doesn't require a lot of time. Just a few mindful minutes each day can make a meaningful difference.